Ma'rur bin Suwaid states, we happened to pass by Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu and Rabada, while he was wearing a chador and his slave was also wearing a sheet similar to that. We said, O Abu Zar, if you had gathered both of them, you would have got two similar chadors. He replied, I and one of my Muslim brother got into a scuffle. His mother was a non-Arab, so I got him to feel compunction regarding his mother. He thereupon complained to the Prophet ﷺ about me. I met the Prophet ﷺ and he ﷺ said, O Abu Zar, you still retain the habits of pre-Islamic period of ignorance. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, whoever reviles the people, they will revile his father and mother. He ﷺ again said, O Abu Zar, you still retain the habits of pre-Islamic period of ignorance. They are your brothers whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has put under your authority. So feed them what you yourself eat. Give them to wear what you yourself put on. Don't force them to do what is beyond their capacity. But if you force them to do such a task, you should help them. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4289.